Hey, we are coming back at you today with another question from someone on my Facebook page, and they are asking, it's from Amanda, if I convert my garage to an office space or laundry, will that affect the resale value of the home? And that's kind of a tricky question, and I actually do have an appraiser friend. I might ping them in here to chime in and answer. But what I have seen on appraisals is a garage, I believe, gives you $10,000 worth of value because I've had a house that did not have a garage versus one with, and I think it was a $10,000 credit for having a garage. So the question would be, if it was determined that you converted the garage space illegally, then you probably would not get credit for living space since it's not permitted, and you would also lose the credit because it's not a garage anymore. So potentially that can hurt you. However, if it's desirable for someone to have that extra living space and they don't need a garage and they're coming to your house and let's say they're buying cash or they're putting a huge down payment where the appraisal coming in a little short wouldn't matter, then it would not hurt you. But if it's someone coming in to buy your house with, let's say, a low down payment and you're losing living space value or appraisal value and garage value and the appraisal comes in a little short, it could potentially hurt you. So again, I'll ping one of my appraisal buddies and we'll have him chime in and give you some answers, hopefully. Let me know if you have any other questions. Mike Nada, Magic Mortgage Mike. Have a great, awesome day.